Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decorative Dream, your ultimate destination for discovering beautiful, creative, and inspiring wooden craft ideas. Whether you are a passionate dye enthusiast, a beginner looking to try your hand at woodworking, or simply someone who loves handmade wooden art, you will find endless inspiration and practical tutorials right here. Wood is a timeless material full of warmth, texture, and natural charm. On this channel, we celebrate the beauty and versatility of wood through a wide variety of craft projects that anyone can try. From small decorative items like photos frames, candle holders, and wooden signs to more advanced creations such as wall shelves, rustic furniture, and intricate carvings. We have it all. Each video is designed to help you learn new skills, spark your creativity, and encourage you to create something meaningful with your own hands. We upload step-by-step tutorials, craft hacks, and design tips that are easy to follow and beginner friendly. Our videos also feature tool guides and finishing techniques to help you understand how to work safely and effectively with different types of wood. Whether you are working with reclaimed wood, polywood, MDF, or a solid hardwoods, our channel will teach you how to make the most of every piece. In addition to crafting tutorials, we also share ideas for home decor, seasonal projects, gift making, and sustainable crafts. Our wooden craft ideas can help you decorate your living spaces in a cozy, rustic, or modern style, depending on your taste. You will also find dye gift ideas for holidays, birthdays, anniversaries, and other special occasions. All made with a unique charm that only handcrafted wood items can provide. Our goal is to build a warm, supportive community of wood lovers and crafters from around the world. We encourage you to share your creations, ask questions in the comments, and learn along with others. Whether you have a full woodworking workshop or just a few simple tools at home, there's something have for everyone. If you are enjoying working with your hands and transforming simple pieces of wood into the beautiful, functional, and decorative objects you are going to love. Thank you so much